Are you looking for a product advertisement design? In this video, I'll show you how to design using Canva. Make sure to watch this video tutorial until the end so you don't miss any important information. Let's get started. First, open Canva and search for poster. At the bottom, you'll see Create Blank. Click on it. Next, upload a background and your subject elements. I placed the subject in the center and tilted it slightly for a creative touch. Then, I added text. For example, I wrote coffee time and positioned it at the top. I changed the text color to white to make it stand out and selected a font that fits the theme. I also added another text for a catchy phrase. And chose the font Hangiaboli. I placed it below the coffee time text for a unique design. For better readability, I adjusted the colors of the text. And duplicated it for the opposite side. When designing, it's essential to maintain balance and ensure the text is legible. To enhance the message of the product, I added a second background. And adjusted its transparency. Always check your design to see which adjustments work best. Next, I added another text, such as "Buy one, get one free" for the coffee. And chose a noticeable text color to grab attention. I selected a bold font like Impact. Then, I positioned it appropriately. To add more details, I included an image of tea leaves as a border design. I resized and duplicated it for balance, adding a touch of green for contrast. I want to change the text color more light. Lastly, I added another text at the lower left corner with the word FREEPIK. Go to line spacing and adjust it using the Impact font. Then resized it to be fit. I applied a hollow effect and adjusted the thickness. And that's it. We now have a product advertisement design. Go to Share, then click Download. Adjust the size to high quality, then download it. If you liked this video tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated with my latest video tutorials.